It's like Christmas again. Look at this. The new tools from FFX have come. Make sure you check them out, guys. FFX is usually the main company I use for all of our tools here at TDD. I find them so reasonable on their pricing. Really good customer service, and they deliver really quickly. So I think I ordered this 2 days ago, something like that. But as you can see, we've got the Dewalt Table saw here, the DWE 7485, which will open up shortly, and then they've got the table for it. So the DE7400. What I like about it is the legs with the wheels, nice, easy to transport, and then some more bits and bobs in here. So here's the stand for the table saw sorted out. So all you got to do is put the wheels on the side, just done with a nut. Same with this bar, so basically put the bar through, these two little bolts coming through, the other wheel there. You've got to attach this on as well, and then these obviously just clip on. So these underneath here, just pull this button here in and then pull that up, and then they just lift off like that. You've got to hook that end in first, and drop them down, let it go. So what we'll do now is attach the table saw to it and see what it's like. Right, so what I've got to do is just show you this guide. So these clips either side here, which I'll show you in detail in a second. They literally just lift up, nice and easy, simple. Pull out like that. And what you do then, come to the other side, spin it upside down, like so. Push this, see this metal bit here? Push that in there, lock. So it's all nice and smooth, nothing here. So when you're transporting your equipment in the van or whatever, nothing's going to get damaged. As you can see here, just these little black clips here you pull, and this metal latch releases off this track, and that's it. Nice and simple, but it's out of the way then, secure, so it's safe, less to damage. You see underneath, it looks really well built. So these arms here, what you do, you can see that or not? You can see the nut that's in here and the bolt. That just goes up through the centre of this to hold it into place. So each corner, 4 bolts in all 4 corners, and that's what keeps it attached to the stand. But as you can see, that's me pushing with some force, it's hardly moving. So you can imagine when you're pushing sheet material through, there can be that much movement through. It's quite nice, really sturdy. And here you've got your measurements on here. Another handle here as well. As you can, I don't know if you can notice from here, I haven't got much room to. There you go. These back legs here are more of an angle than the front ones. So as you can imagine, like I said a second ago, as you're pushing material through, it's holding it more rigid for you. Just got to show you how nice and simple it is to put down. There ain't much room in here, but we'll give it a go. So we try and leave this on. Just pull this a little bit further back to me before I take my filing cabinet out. That's how simple it was just to take down. I'll see if I can take you here. So you'll get this out here. And all you do now, pick up like so to transport it. Now see, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's nice and easy, not strenuous at all. And with the off-road wheels you got, we'll be going anywhere. Yeah. I'll do you a little site review to show you how good it is in action. But first views for me, brilliant. I'm really pleased with it. I've always wanted one for a long time now. Boxing Day, thought I'd treat myself. There's a few other bits which I'll show you now. Let's have a look. Right, let's open up this FFX box then. See the other goodies I've got. So the dust bag for the planer. Got a couple of blades for the table saw. So one for ripping down. I've also got these as well. The Dewalt reset blades. Comes with this handy tough case for the reset blades, which is handy. So I'll sort them out, a mixture of wood and metal, long and short. So you get two of the short wood ones, 3 of the metal short ones, and then 3 of each of the metal and wood long ones. So I'll just treat myself to a new chisel set as well. It's the Irwin marbles. I've got the other Irwin ones, but they are not the best of condition. You know what it's like. Someone else borrows them, comes back with a ding in them or whatever, and it's a pain in the ass trying to get them out. So I'm just going to use them ones for rubbish now, and then just use these for my best. So these marble chisels, I've got 6mm, 10mm, 13, 19, 25, 32, 38 and 51. Bosh. Split proof as well. They feel nice as well. Pleased with that. Like I say, you've got the nice straight sharp edges, which is what you want, and obviously I've got the G-sharp chisel sharpener, which I can use from now on. My other ones are just too far gone to be able to save. That's why I bought these ones. If you haven't checked them out, guys, the G-sharp chisel sharpener, unreal. Go check them out on Instagram. So G-sharp. We've got two in TDD. So me and Dave. Actually, Sean's just got one as well. So the 3 of us. Brilliant bit of kit. If you can, go get one. It'll save you so much time, so much easier. The use of it, it's unreal. Got these as well. Some more Dewalt metal ones, but a two-time long life, so hopefully they last a little bit longer. But this bit of kit, I'm excited about this one. The Dewalt 18-volt 360 laser. So Tool Fair 2022 in Exeter. You'll see where we've done the Dewalt videos. It's really done, to be fair, it's our best video we've done on YouTube. 16,000 views at the minute. But while I was there, the Andre, the guy I was with, showed us how good this laser was. It's unreal. Imagine it was in an industrial unit. Excuse me. Inside an industrial unit, and you could see right to the top, clear as day. Which you don't get very often, do you? That's probably the main reason I got it, really. Boom. It comes with 18 volt 2 amp battery. It's nice it comes with all this, the shadow foam inlays. It's all got a nice, look at that, what a beast. Let's quickly see if we can get it on. Look at that. Let's close this over. I'm doing this very cack-handed here, aren't I? Oh well. Boom. Look at that. Unreal. So silly, clear as day with the lights on, middle of the day. You can see all that, that's brilliant. The one I've got now is the Dewalt one. I can't remember which model it is. It's nowhere near as good as this. Look at it, I'm sat on the floor now with that. Even on the outdoor you can see it. Unreal. So we'll be using this very soon. We've got to do a job where we're doing a lot of holding walls to stop the pedestrians going into the construction zone. A lot of fire corridors we've got to build up. So this is why I bought this. So we can use that. Let's see it. See that? Just got each section, top of the laser. Obviously up there. Turn it off. Side. And the other side. Best thing about it is you can get it close up. So if you imagine the end of this is your timber, just say, for example. You can get it like that. Right up close, but then the laser itself is not in the way. Got a magnetic bracket here. You can adjust it here as well to suit. First impressions, if you can get one of these, unreal bit of kit. So as soon as we're on site, we'll do a video there to see how good it is actually on site use, and then we'll give our personal review on that then, guys. Now I would say I've been debating whether to get one of these for a long time, but I think now with the work we're doing and the amount of work we got, and obviously quality we like to try and provide, this will take us, you know, our work top notch. Then I feel like, oh, unreal. You can offer sort of better work using this, more joinery stuff. You see that? You can imagine obviously just button up to a piece of material, pushing against it while that's spinning round. Job done. So it's 18 volt, brushless. It's the DCW682. I can't wait to use this. The good thing about it is, if you think about it, having the guide in itself, every time you push it in on your materials, it's going to be the exact same distance down or in for your biscuits to go inside. I think, first glance, this is the depth gauge. Yes, it is, yeah. Yeah, so you loosen this here. You can adjust your depth to it then. So like I said, then every time you know it's going to be the exact same size, so you can just butt your two materials up together. It's going to be spot on. I've done it lots with a router, and you get a biscuit joiner piece for your router, which is fine. It works fine, you know. But you know, it's like sometimes it can come loose and start moving a couple of mil. We don't want that. We want perfection.